Think and Grow Rich is a self-help book written by Napoleon Hill in 1937. It is considered one of the most influential books on personal development and success in history. The book is based on Hill's interviews with successful people of his time, including Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, and Andrew Carnegie. In the book, Hill provides a step-by-step guide on how to achieve financial independence and success in any area of life. The book is divided into 13 chapters, each covering a different aspect of success. Hill begins by emphasizing the importance of having a burning desire for what one wants to achieve. He states that one must have a clear, specific goal and a strong desire to achieve it in order to be successful. Hill also stresses the importance of having a positive mental attitude and the power of thought in creating one's reality. In the second chapter, Hill discusses the importance of having a definite plan for achieving one's goal. He advises readers to write down their plan and take action immediately. He also emphasizes the importance of persistence and never giving up on one's goal, even in the face of failure. The third chapter focuses on the importance of having faith in oneself and in one's abilities. Hill argues that one must believe in oneself in order to achieve success. He also stresses the importance of surrounding oneself with positive, supportive people. In Chapter 4, Hill discusses the importance of specialized knowledge in achieving success. He argues that one must have a deep understanding of one's field in order to excel in it. He also emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement. Chapter 5 focuses on the importance of imagination in achieving success. Hill argues that imagination is the starting point of all great achievements and that one must be able to visualize their success in order to achieve it. In Chapter 6, Hill discusses the importance of organized planning in achieving success. He advises readers to plan out their actions in advance and to take consistent, focused action towards their goal. Chapter 7 focuses on the importance of decision-making in achieving success. Hill argues that successful people are decisive and are not afraid to make difficult decisions. In Chapter 8, Hill discusses the importance of persistence in achieving success. He argues that successful people never give up and are willing to overcome obstacles and challenges. Chapter 9 focuses on the importance of the subconscious mind in achieving success. Hill argues that the subconscious mind is the key to unlocking one's full potential and that one must learn to control their thoughts and emotions in order to achieve success. In Chapter 10, Hill discusses the importance of the mastermind principle in achieving success. He argues that successful people surround themselves with other successful people and work together to achieve their goals. Chapter 11 focuses on the importance of say,